Medical students have read it. What's the craziest, most jaw-dropping thing you've ever seen a doctor do in front of patients? I was shadowing this surgeon, right? Absolute legend in the OR, but one day in the middle of a routine appendix removal, he just sneezes. Not a regular sneeze, a full-body convulsion. His mask slips, and before he can react, a glob of spit lands right into the open surgical site. The entire room goes dead silent. The scrub nurse gasps. The anesthesiologist looks ready to pass out. And this doctor? He just mutters, "Well, that's not ideal," grabs a suction tube and casually vacuums up his own spit like it never happened. The patient was fine, but I have never been the same.